Today we're hosting our fourth Research for the Ranch field day. So we bring students, we bring industry partners, we bring funders, we bring producers in the room, present about the research that we do. It's an opportunity to discuss and hear ideas and problems that the industry encounters as well to inform future research. So this year we're trying a new format where the morning sessions will be in the field. It's going to be a little bit more hands-on. And in the afternoon we're going to have some roundtable discussions to engage with the students and producer in the room, make it more interactive, and try to continue attracting people, making this day fun, but we also want to make sure that we get the information out and get the information we need. So events like this is really important for the knowledge exchange, right? And we see this knowledge exchange as two ways. So for us to talk about our research, but hear about problems that are happening. Key partners and funders that are here today, we're always thankful to Ardar, that is very supportive of our research here at the college. We also have Canadian Grassland and Forage Association that's with us this morning. We have also a representative for Nature Net Wrap, which is a biodegradable bale wrap that's a partner on a project, and so we really like to create those interactions with our partners, our students, and the producers.